Google Chrome is more than just a simple web browser. Behind its clean interface, there are hidden tools and secrets that can make your browsing faster, smarter, and more productive. Today, we'll explore some of the coolest Chrome secrets you probably didn't know existed. First up is Chrome's Hidden Task Manager. Did you know Chrome runs each tab and extension as a separate process? Press Shift plus ES key, or go to More Tools, Task Manager, to see which tabs are using the most memory or slowing down your browser. You can even end processes individually without closing your whole browser, a lifesaver for multitaskers. Next is Experimental Features in Chrome Flags. Type Chrome /flags in the address bar, and you'll unlock hidden features like smoother scrolling, parallel downloading, and tab freezing. These are advanced tools for power users who want faster performance and better control over Chrome. Another secret is Omnibox tricks. The address bar can do more than search Google. You can perform calculations, convert units, check weather, or search a specific site by typing @ followed by the site name. This turns your browser into a quick productivity hub. Chrome also has hidden screenshot and PDF tools. Click the three-dot menu, More Tools, capture screenshot to take a full-page screenshot or a selection. You can also save any web page as a PDF without installing extra software, perfect for saving articles or sharing information. For privacy-conscious users, there's incognito mode enhancements. Beyond private browsing, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus N to open an incognito window, and with extensions like Privacy Badger, you can block trackers even in incognito. Finally, Chrome has built-in accessibility tools like live caption for videos, text-to-speech, and high-contrast mode. These hidden tools make the web more usable for everyone, whether you need better readability or want to follow videos without sound. Unlocking these Chrome secrets can make your browsing faster, safer, and smarter. If you learned something new today, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more tech tips.